Oh my goodness. Diba nagluto, diba french fries si mama sa una og katong pancake ay waffles na nay hotdog tapos isaw-saw dara tanong.
Ay, pwede po. Pwede. Sam. Budi do. Say vegetable.
Ang flavor yung mayonnaise ta?
Burger?
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise? Sam.
Good.
Gudi.
Oh, kakinsa na?
Yun yung tulo ni ate.
Secret. Ano sa secret? Bad ka na secret.
Deve na siya. The wrap. Nabali. Ay, tama. Nabali siya.
Nabali lang siya, guys. Sorry. Our mistake. A mistake. Kakinsa na?
Ano na itong gamayan? Wait lang mo. Wait. Don't touch. Don't touch it.
Dagan na kayo. Ansa? Kanang ketchup o mayonnaise.
This.
Ako na.
Wait lang.
Dur. Ako nang daghag mayonnaise.
Pantay lang na. Tanan mo lang. Ano? Eh, dapat pantay gina siya. Di siya pwede na mulabaw. It should be pantay.
Uy!
Well, guys, this is their snack last week, but because of buwan ng wika, it was like cancelled. So get some na glass. Get some glass, please.
Oh no, this turn is too little.
Hello.
I like it little.
Looks like pineapple juice.
Not pineapple juice, lemon juice. Not pineapple, lemon juice.
Yes, lemon with malunggay.
Yes.
This is with malunggay, so I'm gonna try it.
Zoe, will be your what? And Ate and me.
Tastes fine. Tastes
Ate
good.
and me will be good.
Okay. So, pray Ben. Okay, you can eat na guys. Mukbang mo, atong ipaspas